In my watercolor workshops this summer, you're going to learn how to actually build a painting. And building the painting, there's a block-in process. That block-in process is working from large to small, light to dark, working from background to foreground, and applying intense colors at the beginning of your painting. You're going to learn how to create textures in your painting. I'm going to supply you all photo reference, and it's always more important what you leave out than what you put in. In this process of learning watercolor, my objective is to have you walk away with a great experience, with more knowledge in your head. And this is so very important to me. My classes are small, and this will give me the opportunity to work individually with you. So check out my website for details.